Okay, good morning to one and all. In the today's class, I am going to discuss about binary addition. Binary addition in the sense you have to add the two binary numbers. So totally 2 square 4 combinations you will get. So if you had two binary numbers 0 0, 0 plus 0, the sum is S stands for sum and C stands for carry. 0 plus 0 means 0, the carry is 0. 0 plus 1 means 1, the carry is 0. 1 plus 0 means 1, carry is 0. If we had two ones, 1 plus 1, then the sum is 0, carry is 1. Okay. So we'll take for different combinations for binary addition. The first one, 1010 added with 5 ones. If you add 0 plus 1, you will get 1. 1 plus 1, 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 0, 1 carry. If you add 3 triple ones, then you will get sum 1, carry will be 1. How in the sense? 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. That carry 1 will get added with 1. Then again sum will be 1, carry will be 1. Therefore 1 plus 1, 0, 1. So similar way you have to solve the rest of two problems for binary addition. Okay. If you come to addition in octal systems, if the number is greater than 8, then you have to subtract with that number, then the remainder you have to write in the solution part. For example, here they are taken two octal numbers 334.65, 671.14. You have to do octal addition. 5 plus 4 means 9. Here 9 is greater than 8. Therefore you have to subtract 8 from 9. Then you will get 1. Then the carry will be 1. 6, 7, 8, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Then the carry will be carried out to next position. 4, 5, 6, which is less than 8. So you have to retain 6 as it is here. Then 7 plus 3, 10. 10 greater than 8. 10 minus 8, 2. Carry will be carried out to the next position. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 minus 8, it will become 2. Carry will be carried out to the next position, therefore carry is 1. So your final solution is 1226.01. If you had two hexadecimal numbers, if the number is greater than 16, then you have to separate that number from the greater number. For example, if you had 5 plus 1, it is 6. 6 is less than 16, write down as it is. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 means B, which is less than 16, write down as it is. B plus C, nothing but 11 plus 12, 23. 23 is greater than 16. So you subtract 16 from 23. So you will get 7. Your solution is 7. You carry out 1 to the next position. So A means 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 minus 16, it will become 0. Carry will be carried out to next position 1. 6, 7, 8. 8 which is less than 16. So retain as it is 8. So your final solution is 807.B6. So this is about the addition in the binary, octal and hexadecimal. Next we'll move on to the binary subtraction. There will be 4 cases under binary subtraction. If you subtract 0 minus 0, you will get 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 1 you can't subtract, you have to take the borrow. In binary system, if you take the borrow, means it will be 2. 2 minus 1, it will become 1. Okay. For example, 1101 minus 1010. 1 minus 0 1. 0 minus 1 you can't subtract, you take the borrowed 2. 2 minus 1 1. 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus 1 0. So 13 minus 10, the solution is 3. So next is subtraction. You can perform using two methods. The first one is first complement method and the second one is second complement method. Under each method there will be two cases. In one of the cases subtrahend is greater than the minuend, in the other case minuend is greater than the subtrahend. Okay, so first we look at the subtraction using ones complement. This is your minuend, this is your subtrahend. Subtrahend, if you write it in decimal format, the value is 8, 8421. 8421. If you write it in decimal format, the value is 13. 13 minus 8, the solution is 5. So finally you should get a solution as 5. Okay, so in this case the minuend is greater than the subtrahend. So what you have to do, you complement the subtrahend, do ones complement. Wherever you have 1 you place it 0, wherever you have 0 you place it 1. So 0 1 1 1 and 1 1 0 1. You add these two numbers. Minuend you written as it is, only for the subtrahend you have to find the ones complement. Okay, then you add it. 1 plus 1 0 1 carry, 1 plus 1 0 1 carry, triple 1 means 1 1 carry, 1 1 0 1 carry. So in the MSB portion 1 is generated, you have to discard 1 and the discarded 1 you have to add to the LSB portion of the solution. So if you add it, then you will get 0 1 0 1. So if you write this binary in decimal format, you will get 5. Okay, in a similar way you have to solve this one also. In this case also the minuend is greater than the subtrahend. Suppose subtrahend is greater than the minuend, then what is the procedure to find the solution under ones complement? So what you have to do in the sense, the same procedure you have to follow it. First you have to find ones complement for the subtrahend. Wherever you have 1 is there, you have to place it 0, wherever you have the 0 you have to place it 1, and then you have to add it, you will get the solution. For that you have to place the negative sign, that will be your solution. For example, here 24 and 29, the solution is minus 5, finally I got minus 5. In a similar way you have to solve this problem. Next you have to do the subtraction using 2's complement. So if you want to do the subtraction using 2's complement, here also there will be two cases. In the first case minuend is greater than the subtrahend, in the second case the subtrahend is greater than the minuend. So first we look the first case, the minuend is greater than the subtrahend. So that is 13 minus 10, that is 3. So what you have to do means, you have to do the complement for the subtrahend 10. So wherever you have 1 you have to place it 0, wherever you have 0 you have to place it 1. 0 1 0 1 you will get for 1 0 1 0. Then you add 1. 1 plus 1 0, 1 carry, 1 1 0. This is your 2's complement. For the 2's complement you add the number, minuend number 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. If you add it 1 1 triple 1 1 0 1 carry 0 1 carry, you discard the carry, then your final answer will be your solution, that is 3. These are the two exercise problems you have to solve using 2's complement method. In both the cases minuend is greater than the subtrahend. You follow the same procedure what I did in this case. Suppose if the minuend is lesser than the subtrahend, then what you have to do? Take the complement for the subtrahend, add 1, Okay, then you will get 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. That one you add with the minuend. This is minuend and this is the solution what you got here. And